Healthy Kadai. In our today's video, I am making a very simple mango dessert recipe. It takes no time to prepare this one and it turns out very yummy. Only thing is that you need to serve it chilled. So let's see how to make it. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. We'll take 2 mangoes. One mango we'll cut it into small cubes and other one we'll make mango puree. Here I've cut mangoes to make mango puree. If the mangoes are too sweet, then there is no need to add sugar. However, I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Adding sugar is completely optional. Our mango cubes and puree is ready. Next, we'll take hung curd. To make hung curd, take curd and put it in muslin cloth like this and hang it for overnight or at least 8 to 10 hours so that all the excess liquid gets drained off and you get thick curd like this. Now we'll divide this curd in 2 portions. Next, in 1 portion of the hung curd, we have added half portion of mango puree, and to this we'll add little milk. Also, I am adding little food color in it, but this is completely optional. If you have nice bright orange mangoes, then there is no need to add food color. Now we need to blend it. Here I have added little yellow and orange food color, basically to enhance the color of our hung curd puree. So you can see after blending it has come out very creamy, rich and smooth. So this mixture is ready. Likewise, we'll take other set of hung curd and into this we'll again add milk. And we need to blend it again to make a smooth puree. Both purees are ready, the white one and the yellow one. Next, we'll take bread slices and we'll cut all the edges. You can use white bread or brown bread as per your liking. After that, we'll take a bowl into which we want to set our dessert. So, at the base, first we'll keep the bread layer. We'll dip the bread slice. You can just top it up with more mixture. And here goes the last piece. Post that, we'll give second layer of our chopped mangoes. We'll give another layer of bread slice. Here goes our final white layer. And lastly, we'll just randomly sprinkle the yellow portion, and with the help of a toothpick, we'll just move it around. Our mango dessert is ready. We'll refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours until it sets properly. Our mango dessert is ready. It's absolutely chilled and it's time to serve it. Wow, It's looking so delicious. You can see all the layers. It tastes really yum. It's such a quick and easy dessert. You can quickly prepare it in minutes and you can relish it with your friends and family. It's awesome. Friends, you have to try out this recipe to know how good it tastes. Only thing is that you need to serve it chilled.
Mama, this mango dessert is looking amazing. Can I taste this?
Sure, baby.
Let's see how it turns out. It is so delicious.
Friends, do try out this one. It tastes awesome. You will simply gonna love it. Try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.